science, hey! S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science, hey! Welcome to Science Lab, everybody! Today, we are going to be doing an experiment on how clouds work. We will see how water vapor rises up and when it gets too heavy, drops down. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, for this experiment, what we will need is some shaving cream, some food coloring, some droppers, and a large beaker with some water. What do we need to do? We need to add the water to the beaker. Once you've filled it up, add some shaving cream. The shaving cream represents the clouds, and we will use our food coloring to represent the water vapor that will gain in weight and then fall into rain. Let's see what happens. Add your water and then wait for a moment, and you can see the food coloring falling down. Let's try some more colors. We hope you enjoyed Science Lab. Thank you and bye-bye.